order to keep in line with the minimum security requirements for ePrescribing, staff security will need to be increased through the use of passwords when logging into RxOne. In future updates, staff will be required to log on with passwords for security purposes, and the system will lock RxOne after a set period of time, at which the staff member needs to log in again. Please also check out our other video on assigning staff groups to your staff, as this goes hand in hand. In order to assist and simplify staff logons, RxOne suggests the use of staff-assigned barcodes, which speeds up the logon process and reduces the requirement for staff to remember multiple passwords. To strengthen your staff security and manage passwords, the manager or owner of the pharmacy needs to go into RxOne Editor. You can search RxOne Editor in the search bar or go to Main Menu, Tools, Utilities, Other Utilities and RxOne Editor. Once you're in RxOne Editor, select Staff from the list. First you need to select your security parameters. Select Security options to edit these. The default settings set up in RxOne are the minimum requirements for ePrescribing. Staff must use a minimum of 5 characters to log on, and passwords need to be changed every 30 days. The refresh interval, or the number of days between an old password and a new password, also needs to be set to a minimum of 30 days as per the recommendations from Microsoft. This means that staff can alternate passwords every 30 days if they wish. Alternatively, allocating barcodes to your staff, which can be attached to a lanyard and put around the neck for ease of use, means that passwords do not need to be remembered, as the staff member can simply swipe their barcode to log on. You can also set the retry limit. This is the number of times a staff member can enter a password incorrectly. When a staff member exceeds this limit, the staff member will be deactivated in RxOne and marked as deleted. A manager or owner will need to log on and reactivate the staff member before they can use their logon again. In the case where a manager or owner is not available, RxOne staff will be able to assist. Once you have set all of your parameters, select Save to save your changes. To add passwords and update staff details, either double-click on the staff member to select them or highlight them and select Edit. In the first tab, you can see the name and details of the staff member, their permissions, and whether or not they have a barcode or password already loaded. To add or change a password, select the Change Password button. Enter the old password if it exists, then enter your new password. You can see that you will need to work within the security parameters that you set earlier, using at least one capital letter, one number and one symbol. Once the password has been confirmed, select Save to update. If you reload the staff member here, you will see that the password is now updated. If you wish to assign barcodes to staff, you can add or change barcodes by selecting the Change Barcodes button here. Enter or scan in the old barcode if applicable in the old barcode field, then scan the new barcode in the new barcode field to update. Click Save to save your changes. Again, if you reload the staff member, you can see that both password and barcode are ticked now. When a staff member needs to update their password, which in this case is every 30 days, when the staff member logs on for the first time on the day, the staff member will be taken through to the home screen and it will then ask for a new password, then confirmation of the new password, which will be used for the next 30 days. In this example, you will see that this particular staff member has reused a password inside the 30-day refresh limit, so we'll need to change it to something different until the next password update. Click Save when passwords are updated successfully.